Olivia.
Hi, I'm Lathan.
Hi, I'm Maddie.
Hi, I'm Eleanor.
Hi, I'm Gabriella.
Hi, I'm Gavin.
Hi, I'm Drusilla.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie.
Hi, I'm Juliana.
Hi, I'm Mara.
And I'm Ella.
And we are teens from Richland County.
Stop in the library this summer for groovy things to do.
This year, our summer reading program kicks off with a Far Out free concert sponsored by the Teen Zone. June 3rd at 2 p.m., book it to the library for some good vibes to hear the Liverpool Lads. Then beginning Monday, June 5th, come to your favorite branch of the library to participate in the summer reading program.
Snag one of these so you won't forget to come and do this.
Make these groovy glasses.
Create a sun catcher.
Bedazzle a fab feather bookmark.
Make an imaginary friend rock.
Make a flower.
Play Scooby-Doo trivia and win cool prizes.
Design a Far Out peace sign.
And
You can still
Read 10 books.
And get a $10 gift card.
and
What prizes can I win?
There are midpoint prizes.
Dynamite. And grand prizes.
Far Out.
Complete a puzzle. Get more tickets. Recommend a book.
Movie or song or artist. Tell us a joke.
Earn a ticket. Come to a program.
and get a ticket.
Design a flag. Get a ticket. Create a good vibes playlist.
Earn a ticket.
read a book, get a ticket.
Earn as many tickets as you wish.
And
Visit our out-of-sight selfie station. And scan the QR code to win it at the end of the summer.
And don't forget to stop in the last week of the summer reading program to get an interactive movie bag.
Don't forget.
The grand prize drawing is August 4th.
So don't forget to turn your tickets in.
And grab a magical mystery bag while supplies last.
Which one will you get?
And all the fun starts June 3rd with our free concert.
So catch good vibes at the library all summer long.
If you would like to serve on the Teen Advisory Board next school year, watch for applications to arrive at all of our locations in August and apply.
Oh,